Hey, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial for celebrate it. Maybe my tutorial a bit glam, a little bit extra maybe, because like I wear a little bit accessories for the hat because make you more bright. My tutorial can give you inspiration. So first tutorial, I changed inner with bandana, and my bandana from lace, you can see, and this is so stretchy because like not make your head dizzy or it's not comfortable. Wanna wear my bandana, put down your hair, then click with hair clip. This is save your life. So first I wanna wear this, adjust it, then put your hijab. Okay. Oh, no need to worry because like this is like see-through, like your hair can see it, but I'm gonna layer it, so that gonna be cover your hair, just no need to worry. Okay, so first step, I wear short part on the left and I wear long part on the right. Then click it with the safety pin, put over your head. This is very simple way to use your hijab. Then you can pin it with safety pin again. So voila, this is my first celebrate Eid Mubarak. So for my next tutorial, my second look, I wanna wear my lace black bandana. So I really love this bandana. I wanna wear my black bowing hijab. This is so beautiful. So like before, I still use the same theory, so short part on the left and long part on the right. So let's go. Oh, this is the material is cotton, so this is so adjustable. Then click with your safety pin. Okay, then put over your head same way. You don't need to be afraid to like trial and error because like just practice makes perfect. So I'm not gonna put like this part to the back like before because I want to make a different style, just like this, and I put my like a Chanel chain. I will use this like this and tidy your hijab. Voila, and this is my style hijab number 2. So this is more simple than my first tutorial because my hijab pattern like it's so glam. I'm not over with glam accessories. You don't need to glam, so you can use this for your it. Okay, next. So my third look, I wanna wear a pink fuchsia hijab. So I wanna wear this fuchsia bandana. Oh, look at this. This is a fuchsia sequin with pom-pom. How cute. So I really love this one. So let's go. Okay. So I let the pom-pom like this. So click your hijab. Okay. If you love glam style, like this is very good to try. Then put over your head. And that's okay. Let this pattern for your accent. Oh. Then for the last, like double layer, so beautiful. Okay, then put to the back. Then click with safety pin and let the pom-pom, like you can see, like this. You can see, so cute for the accent. Woohoo. And last but not least, if you wanna look more glam, or this is for night occasion on it, you can on jewelry. This is for hijab. Because of that, you can see this hole for your straight pin, and you can put like this. Okay, maybe I want to try with this one to look more glammy. So all you need is straight pin. I want to put with same color again, Michi Michi always. So okay, adjust it. Ooh, beautiful. Then you can see the hole. Then you just like this, and the other one. Put the straight pin, then okay, just like this. This is my third look for Eid party. So for my next tutorial, look at this. This is my pink bling leopard hijab, so beautiful. This one is my favorite because so glammy, and this got like shimmery gold kind of that. So okay, put your hijab again, adjust it, take your safety pin. So okay, put over your head, then adjust it, and I let this side like this for the accent, because like my hijab got a frill. So for the last touch, for more you look glammy, so I use this one. This is like a crown hat, so you can use this for necklace too. This is so beautiful because look at this, so blinky day, and got unicorn color, so hype right now. Then this is very easy to use it. So you just put the crown to your head and adjust it. So if you worry this accessory not gonna stuck to your head, you can put a straight pin and put on the back for handle. fall situation. So you can see, just spin it. Then voila, this is gonna stuck to your head all day. So next, okay, yeah, look at this one. This is my baby silver bowlinky, very beautiful. Okay, put your hijab. Oh my god. Then click it. So okay, put over your head again. Oh, this is so soft fabric. Then, like I used to, just put to the back and put your safety pin and clip it to the back. So for a last touch, I will wear this clear crystal accessory. Clear crystal. This got like a safety pin behind. Okay, then another one. This is so easy to use. Voila. This is my last look. Like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and so don't forget to subscribe. So goodbye for now. See you in my next video. Goodbye, Slay Bae.